Okay, guys, I got Wyatt here to pick up his amp, the Super, and he's gonna play it for you. And if you want, man, tell him the story how you got it.
I saw it off of Reverb, and it was a good deal. I wanted the Blackface Super Reverb, and I ordered it on Reverb. And then it got here, and then we played it. It sounded good, and then suddenly stuff started to not really work that good.
Yeah, yeah. You kind of spent your life savings on this, right? Yeah, yeah.
And then first it got hot, and then it started. It didn't really sound that good anymore.
Yeah.
That's when I came across your YouTube channel.
So keep this in mind, guys. You sell amps to guys like this and they got problems, I'm going to feature it so you can watch your amp being repaired and you can say, man, I should have been honest with that guy. Huh?
Yeah.
Go ahead and play it, man. That's great, man. And you know the best part is there's no smoke coming out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.